Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable unlocking workplace chargers via Shell Recharge, full guide step by step clearly. To enable unlocking workplace chargers via Shell Recharge, start by accessing the Shell Recharge app on your device. Log into your account using your registered email and password. If you don't have an account, tap on the sign up option and follow the prompts to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the charging stations section of the app. Locate the workplace charger you want to unlock. Tap on the charger icon to view its details. Ensure that the charger is available for use by checking its status. Next, select the Unlock Charger option within the charger details. You may be prompted to confirm your request to unlock the charger. Review any additional information presented before proceeding. After confirming, wait for the app to process your request. Upon successful unlocking, you will receive a notification on your device. Now, proceed to the charger and plug in your electric vehicle. Ensure that the connection is secure and the charging session has begun. Monitor the charging progress through the app in real time. Once charging is complete, unplug your vehicle and finish the session in the app. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section within the app for troubleshooting assistance. This process allows you to conveniently access workplace charging through Shell Recharge. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.